Alright, today we're going to be fixing this leak underneath this toilet here. Oh my god, what was that? Oh god damn it, hurry up, Ball, go turn the water off. I actually cut the water line. How'd you cut the water line? Is it like your first day or something? Alright, listen here, you ever say something that stupid again, I'll punch you right in your eye. Alright, well if you hurt me, then you're just going to have to do more work. You know what? You're a lot smarter than you look. Just hurry up and go get the damn shop vac so we can get this mess cleaned up before anybody sees this. Do we even have the parts to fix it? I just need you to go get the damn shop vac so we can get this cleaned up. And then you can go back to doing what you were doing. And then you can give me the phone because you're doing the voiceovers again like I've told you not to over 1,000,000 times. So, like I said, hurry up. Go get the damn shop vac. All right. Alright, we're going to get right to it here. Not going to waste any time. Going to go ahead and get that measurement. Alright, going to go ahead and prime that up. Put some PVC glue on that plastic. Get that pipe in there nice and snug like that. Alright. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to dry fit that so I can get my measurement for my coupling here. Alright, looking like about 8. Go ahead and take that back off. Go ahead and put a little glue on that plastic. Alright, just like that. Now this is the tricky part. Now you gotta go real fast with it. If you don't go real fast with it, you ain't gonna get it in right, and then you have to cut it all out and restart. Now I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I loosened up them flange screws up there, that way I knew I'd get this in here. And I know what you're gonna say. Why does the subfooter look like that? And I tell you why, I have no idea. I wasn't here for that. He said he would take care of it, so I took his word for it. And then after this, I'm going to get right the hell up out of here. Alrighty, and there you have it. The drain repair.